What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install Microsoft Word on your PC and Office free and fast. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. Okay guys, all what you need to do, just press Windows button and type Microsoft Store and open it. Go here in search and type Microsoft 365 and you will see here Microsoft Office. Click on it and install on your PC. After installing Microsoft Office, just go here open and your window will launch. Just go in right corner and sign in on your Microsoft account. If you don't have account, and sign up for Microsoft account. After that you will see this like me, Microsoft Office. As you can see, you can use all Microsoft apps like Word, like Excel, like PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Teams and OneNote. All what you need to do, just click here on Word, click here empty document. A new window will launch in your browser. Just log in on your Microsoft account like me. After logging on your Microsoft account like me, on your browser you will see Microsoft Word and you can use it for free in all time. The same is thing with Excel. Click on Excel, go on empty book, click on this. When you sign it on Microsoft account like me, automatically you will see Microsoft Excel and you can use it for free. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download and how to install Microsoft Word and Office on your PC and how to use it for free. I see you in the next video and bye guys.